Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Etarn token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Etarn is a Web3 sustainability initiative launched in 2024 by a team based in Japan. The project introduces an innovative toilet to earn ecosystem that combines sanitation infrastructure, agriculture, advertising, and blockchain technology. Its core mission is to address pressing sanitation and agriculture challenges while building a token economy that incentivizes users' participation and support long-term sustainability. Smart toilet infrastructures at the heart of the project are public smart toilet installed in India and other regions. These facilities process human waste into liquid organic fertilizer, contributing to sustainable agriculture and reducing environmental pollution. Each smart toilet is equipped with a monitor positioned in front of the toilet bowl. The monitor displays a QR code that users can scan to receive returns tokens. At the same time, advertisements are shown on the monitor, generating advertising revenue for the ecosystem. Etarn token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is 11.14 million Etarn token. Etarn token is listed on MEXC, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a lazy to good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.